Roorkee, Canada, and I have done my engineering in IT from PVG Pune, and I passed out in 2018. Later, I was working as a business executive in one of a Mumbai-based company, and later I thought that I should change my domain, and I chose Salesforce. And after lots of research and guidance, I chose Victorrious Digital for my training, and believe me, it was the best decision of my life. I would like to personally thank Ashish sir. He has taken lots of efforts for preparing us for the interviews. He also took our mock interviews and prepared us very well for the interviews. Thank you so much, Ashish sir, and whole team of Victorious. Thank you.